STRs must meet one of the following, thank you, Twan. Must meet one of the following 3 requirements. So number 1, the zoning must be, so the underlying zoning, meaning when you look at the property profile of that particular building, the zoning must be resort mixed use or resort. And the HOA building rules cannot restrict short-term vacation rentals. So some folks will say, well, my building's in Waikiki, why can't I do short-term rentals? Because if it is not meeting this criteria or your house rules forbid it, then you cannot have a short-term rental legally. Okay, that's not to be said that there's not a lot of people that are still advertising their items on Airbnb and things like that, although there's been a lot of reform with those online websites as well. They have been fully instructed not to allow folks that don't meet the criteria in order to advertise, but some of it still sneaks through. The other item is the individual property must have, just as Lisa had mentioned, the NUC, non-conforming use certificate. Currently, there are only 793 NUCs in Honolulu County, and no new NUCs are being issued since 1990. They must renew annually, so that's what Twan was saying, that the owner must renew them every single year, and they must be kept current, and they're non-transferable so they don't transfer to different owners, they transfer with the unit. Meaning, okay, that if I own a unit and I'm going to sell that unit, as long as I am current, the new owner can have the NUC for that unit. But as me, the seller, I cannot take it with me to my next property, okay? It rides with the particular unit and it's transferable on the unit to the new owner as long as it is current, but not that I can take it and go start using that in another dwelling. So that's to be clear. The condominium building, the third item is that the condominium building is grandfathered in as a non-conforming hotel and is exempt from the NUC requirement. So there are grandfathered STRs that have been in operation since October 22 of 1986. But as mentioned, no new ones are being offered. So